Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, hosted by Bernie Franzgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled Embark on a Transformative Video Journey. Our guest is Rich Trigger Bontrager. Rich Trigger is a dynamic talk show host, media expert, and branding strategist who empowers small to medium business owners, solopreneurs, and aspiring entrepreneurs to elevate their brand visibility and communication skills. With over 30 years of experience in broadcasting and live events, Rich has mastered the art of storytelling and on-screen presence, helping leaders confidently share their message and expand their influence. Through his impactful coaching and media expertise, Rich transforms ordinary conversations into captivating stories that resonate, inspire, and drive engagement. Whether you're looking to sharpen your public speaking, launch a powerful podcast, or create media that stands out, Rich is your go-to mentor for unlocking the full potential of your brand's voice.
Thank you for having me here. It's always fun to talk about media, networking, and I'm going to give you a couple tips on how maybe improve using video and media to improve your networking. We get bombarded, at least I get bombarded every day with many solicitations on LinkedIn. How many of you are getting the LinkedIn ones? Hi, I've looked at your profile. You look very interesting, and I have a new deal that I would like to talk to you about. And it's the same generic message in the inbox over and over again. Delete, delete, delete. And those type of people are hurting direct marketing, direct connecting for the rest of us because everyone feels like it's bad people out there. So part of what I want to help you do is change that and overcome that by leveraging video to stand out from all the other people out there that are doing bad networking. Again, I'm Rich Bontrager from Rock the Stage Media, talk show host, producer. I help you shine on camera, shine on stage. I've been doing this for a long time. And Bernie, I work with executives, CEO people, but I work with the average Joe that's trying to elevate their company and their brand. And there is a great chasm out there that people need to learn this. So video is king right now. If you haven't figured out, video is king, and you really need to learn how to leverage it better. So let me give you a couple little tips here. The number one thing, first of all of us are on Zoom right now. Did you know that Zoom has a waiting room video feature that you can create a video and actually, as people wait to come to your event, you can give a brief 30-second commercial about you or tell them that you're excited to meet them or promote your next event. You can actually have a video of you greeting people before they come. This is great for events. If you run seminars, webinars, whatever, don't let them in all at once. Let them pile up in the waiting room a little bit. It's okay. Some people like to come in early. So have that open. You beam in early. The waiting room video is waiting early, and it will be on a loop watching it over. I've had many people beam into my room, talk to me for a meeting, and then say, by the way, how do I do that? That's the coolest thing in the world to have the self-promoting informational video there for. Now, it is 30 seconds, so you do have to figure out what you want to say, how you want to say it, and make it fast and make it sharp and make it fun. I actually know one person that sat in their office and they said, hi, great to see you. Long pause. And everyone starts talking right after that. They think it's real. They think it's them. And it's their way of breaking the ice, have a little bit of fun before they come into the meeting. So think about what you can do with that Zoom feature. It's under the waiting room tab. You go in there and you upload a pre-done video, 30 seconds, and boom. I've changed it for different events, different special interviews that I do, and it can be fun throughout the season. Make a Christmas one, make a Thanksgiving one, whatever you want to do. But then remember that you changed it and change it back to a generic one. No one wants Christmas in August. They really don't. Another great one is personalized introduction video. So instead of a cold email, and there's different programs out right now, you can do bomb, different things. But how many of you have ever sent an email greeting instead of a email greeting? Have you sent a video email to welcome and say, hi, Steve, thank you for connecting with me. It's great to get your email. I would love to do a one-on-one with you. Here's a little bit about myself. But instead of doing an email, black and white, boring text, why not a little video of you connecting with them? Mention something you liked in their comment. Mention something you liked on their profile. mention something that you liked about maybe you collaborate with. Let's set up an actual dialogue before you jump into a blank Zoom room that you've never really met each other. You go first with a video and make that connection. Those are really extremely powerful, and they are personalized. You do need to make a personalized one. So you can't just have, "Hi, nice to meet you," over and over again. That won't do the job. So there is a little bit of work in it, but as we know, networking takes work. And if you want to stand out from the crowd, make sure you do it. LinkedIn makes it easier now. LinkedIn actually has a pop-up window. You can do a video in your message now. Most people don't even realize that. You can actually reply back to someone right away with a video message. A colleague of mine does this every week. I get a video greeting. "Hey, Rich, how's it going? What's your great takeaway from last week? Love to hear from you." He is intentionally keeping the engine going with his personal face and personality working to keep the relationship alive. It actually does work. Video replies to comments and DM. This builds on the same idea. But how many of us are replying back to some great message? Someone does a post, someone does something, and you love it. But then there's a whole thread of people underneath you, and you all start looking the same. If you have a real popular post, or if someone else has a real popular post, you get buried. Very rarely you might get a thank you, you might get a smiley face. Oh boy, who wants another emoji, smiley face, as a reply to connecting with people? But what if you did an actual reply with a video to them and build on the conversation? I've had people then open up theirs and reply back, or I tell them, hit me up on WhatsApp. They'll grab their phone now, and we're actually having a real live conversation. So the power of video for networking gets you to faster personal engagement than just another text or another email. Take the time, slow down a little bit, and leave room in your day that you can do a couple of these. Collaborating with video projects. This is a really big one. Chris Sturgis and I, some of you may know Chris Sturgis. I know that Wayne and Bernie know him. We work together a lot. Well, in fact, we're working on a mastermind together right now. But those collaboration videos I do, another one with Sandra D. Robinson, we are always doing live streams, interviews, discussions together. Our collaboration power highlights both of us in our best light. It multiplies our reach of networking. If I'm not in a room, people recognize her, and therefore they recognize me because they recognize her and me very often together. What can you do to collaborate with someone to take a video? Again, do a short testimony, talk about a topic. We were just talking about what was our biggest takeaway learning moment? Who gave that? Why not do a short video about your greatest leadership tip? And the two of you talk about it and put it out there. Your collaboration will help you build your network and target these to your different networks. Like you might be in this network group, you might be in another network group. Why not target your network group? Send it to the people in this cube. Everyone in this cube gets a personal message from you with your partner. Could even be someone in this group. Multiply the power of the group. Invite someone to do it. So Wayne and I could do a video together and send it all to you guys. Say, hey, by the way, Wayne, that was a great conversation we had yesterday about leadership. Can we follow up on that and make it conversational and send it to this group? It's going to add value to the group, continue the conversation. It keeps Wayne and Rich in front of you, and it may open up more connections as we relive a good conversation. How much time do you think something like that might do? Half an hour, right? Something like that. Maybe. It could take 15 minutes. But once you get better and better at this, you set up a weekly call every week and you have a standardized, come on, let's get together. What's our topic? Boom, boom. Now, you can also stream these live. If you have Restream or other live stream things, why not take that, produce it live? We're going to do, like, every week I do a 15-minute live with Sandra D. Robinson. We're doing a mastermind. It's in the chat here. Every week we do another teaser about the mastermind. And we do these 15-minute little conversations. We stream it out live on multiple channels. So we're on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Not only are we doing it live, so we're networking live, having a discussion live, but we also now have a recorded video to chop in the shorts and spread it out even further. How much content do you have that could help your networking that you're not utilizing. Shoot it once, repurpose it many times, and share it out further and further. Another way to do that personal touch video, do a thank you video. Do a follow-up video. If I was a smart guy, Wayne was the one that first invited me to learn about this group, and then Bernie asked me to come to this group. So if I was a smart guy, I would send both of them a video, either collectively, Wayne and Bernie, or do it separately and say, hey, that was great. Thanks for inviting me. I look forward to coming and speaking. And right away, they get a personal touch. Now, Wayne and Bernie, how would that feel to have a video reply from a text email? Here's the link. Join us for another Zoom meeting. Come and talk to us. How would it feel to have a personal video of, thanks, guys. I'm looking forward to it. That's what you want to do with this video stuff. You want to stand out from all the noise out there, make a deeper connection, because now the next time they're going to remember Trigger better. They're going, that's the guy that took the extra step. Hopefully he was good in the meeting, but at least he took the extra step and he's worth the second try to come back to our group. This is where you want to go with this stuff.
Unlock the full potential of networking with East Trade Winds. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of connections? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Winds, where we gather online via Zoom every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at wayne@motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.